Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and removing any battery so you won't short anything. Once done, inspect the connector under magnification to identify bent pins, foreign debris, or a loose housing. Make sure to document the port orientation with a photo so you can restore alignment. Grab tweezers and isopropyl for cleaning. If solder joints look cracked, prepare a fine-tip soldering iron and flux. You're acting now to limit further damage and to collect the right tools for repair. Next, remove debris with compressed air and swab the contacts using 90% plus isopropyl. This dissolves corrosion that breaks conductivity. Then, using a non-conductive pick or plastic tool, carefully nudge bent pins back into alignment, working one pin at a time to avoid snapping them. If the metal shell has separated from the board, reseat it and secure with the original screws or a small bead of electronic safe adhesive to restore mechanical stability. Take your time. Precision here prevents repeated failure. If visual checks reveal cracked solder joints or lifted pads, you need to reflow the joints using flux and a fine tip iron. Add small solder bridges only where needed. Once repaired, reassemble and test with a verified cable to confirm both charging and data transfer. Testing both functions rules out intermittent faults. If the port still fails or the board pads are too damaged, replace the connector or consult a professional. Doing more aggressive fixes without experience can cause permanent board damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.